Let's address the elephant in the room. Not this one, but the amount of videos on this topic are endless. And 99% of the videos that tell you how to get girls are full of that we already know. Grow a beard, don't dress like a bum, be confident, have money, brush your teeth, and get a haircut. Like we haven't made that connection 1,000 times that maybe having money might attract females. You're telling me that girls don't like a guy who has bad breath? Since when? Useless. I'm not gonna be one of those channels that gives you the most useless advice of all time. I'm hoping, and I'm going based on the assumption that you already know that you need to brush your teeth. And yes, if you dress like a bum, that you need a new wardrobe. These 10 ways that I'm gonna give you are going to be useful, exact, and things that you can do instantly to be more attractive. But really quickly, I'm Selna Kim, America's face of dating, and I've helped over 100,000 people in 30 different countries attract and date the woman of their dreams. And if you'd like to book a call to see if you qualify to work with me personally, then click the link in the description below. Number 10 is don't be a pick-me boy. But what is a pick-me boy? This is a guy that is the physical demonstration of the lowest valued man, basically the lowest hanging fruit. He will commonly say to girls, gosh, I'm just so ugly. I want a girlfriend so bad, but I'm too ugly. Do you think I'm ugly? Be honest. It's okay. Can you be my first kiss? Because I've never had my first kiss before. I think I'm too ugly. When you talk like this, it shows girls that you don't have a shred of confidence, positivity, or really anything that will attract any girl at all. Think of the most charismatic role model that you've ever seen, and if it's me, it's me. But what you want to do is mirror the way that they talk and act, because this will make you more attractive instantly. Number 9 is abundance. This conveys that a man has other women available to him. This may be kind of ironic because a lot of people think that a man who has been with a lot of women or has a lot of options is unattractive to women, but actually it's the opposite. Think about it. If a man has been with a lot of women, then that means women have found him to be a great choice. Women like a man who has been with other women before because this gives her confidence in her choice to choose him. It gives her reassurance in her choice that other girls are chasing him, but he is the one that chose her. It's because men lie, women lie, but numbers don't lie. When a girl sees that you have options, then it shows her that you must be a good choice, which raises her attraction. Number 8 is assertiveness. Basically your ability to be confident. Nice guys and beta males tend to struggle with this heavily. They don't believe that they deserve what it is that they want, and they are not able to stand up for themselves when they are being challenged. What this shows women is that if we project 10 years into the future and you guys are married, let's say, you two are walking down a dark alley and somebody walks up to you guys and pulls out a knife. She believes that you wouldn't be able to stand up and protect her, and you would just run off, leaving her to fend for herself against the threat. Women want a man who is able to protect her. Number 7 is social proof. Are you a celebrity? Are you popular in your social circle? When you talk to people, do they respond well? If you are, then great. But if you're not, no worries, because we're going to begin to social proof you. It's no secret that there seems to be this flip-flop versus what women say they want and what they actually want. And here's the thing, girls may tell you that they don't want a man who talks to a lot of girls, but that's not what they emotionally actually respond to. When you have other people that are responding well to you, you have high engagement on your social media, or you have a large following, then you are naturally going to be instantly more attractive to women when you first meet them. Quick story, I was in Louisville, Kentucky for a club party. There were some models in the VIP with us, and one of my friends was trying to talk to them. He was getting absolutely nowhere, and by complete coincidence, he pulls out his phone right when I hit 300,000 followers on TikTok, and he goes, "Congrats, Selna, you just hit 300,000 followers on TikTok." The girls heard this, they looked at his phone, and then they looked at me, and literally the entire night they were trying to corner us in the club to dance with us. Number 6 is pre-selected. Women are attracted to a man that other women find attractive. This is kind of piggybacking off of social proof, but it's more geared towards women in general. If you have heaps of models in tents and smoke shows blowing up your phone, then women will inevitably find you more attractive. Pre-selection is how women know that they actually made a good choice. If she knows that other girls want you, but she was lucky enough to have you, then she feels reassured by choosing you. Number 5 is body confidence. We were talking more about mindset, now we're going to transition more to physical. Women want to feel your presence through the way that you express your body. If you are walking around with your shoulders slumped in and your chin down, then women will perceive a couple of things about you. Number 1 is that you cannot stand up for yourself. Number 2 is that you are not able to protect her if she was in danger. Number 3 is that you don't respect yourself, which causes other people to not respect you. It's amazing how different women actually respond to you when you do a couple of things with your body. For example, sticking your chest out, having your chin up, and having really the body language that you've bent the world over and had your way with it. Number 4 is able to hold tension with your eyes. If you've been following my channel for a while, you probably know what to say, but most guys don't know how to say it. Most guys find it incredibly challenging just to hold eye contact with a girl. They may say a very bold and flirtatious line, but they're not able to hold that tension with their eyes when the girl is staring them down. Women want a man who is able to create sexual tension, but is able to hold it and maintain it. And it starts with holding eye contact if you want to make her attracted to you. You tell me what's better. Do you say that to all the guys? Or this? Do you say that to all the guys? Number 3 is dress according to the crowd. Scarcity creates value. If you have 9 girls in sparkling black dresses, and then you have 1 girl in a sparkling red dress, our mind will naturally place value on that which is more scarce, which is the woman in the red dress. If you know that the crowd is going to be wearing jeans and a t-shirt, then wear something similar, but wear something that's going to be unique that makes you stand out from the crowd. For example, a Burberry scarf, or maybe a red leather jacket. Women will place more value on you if you stand out from the crowd. Number 2 is mirror her talking. A lot of guys will go on and on and on talking about their achievements or their money or their car or whatever, but all this really makes it look like is that you care about only yourself. A lot of you guys ask me how to be more mysterious, and honestly, it's easier than you might think. If she asks you a question, then occasionally respond with the question, where are you from? If you could guess anywhere in the world, where would you say? Making her work for you makes her find you more attractive because we naturally value that which we have to work for. Finally, number 1 is do not seek validation or supplicate. A lot of guys, when they hear a girl likes a certain car, they will change their opinion to match hers. Or if they drive a nice car, they will intentionally throw their keys on the table just to show her, hey, I drive a Ferrari, which means you should like me. A man who knows that he is all that doesn't have to prove. He has the attitude of, if you don't like me, I'm sorry for your loss because you're really missing out. Women are utterly repulsed when a man tries to earn her validation or her respect because it shows low status. Those are 10 of the hard truths of what women really find attractive, and if you apply these instantly, then you will be more attractive. If you like this video, then make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and also make sure to check out our other videos about texting and chasing and really how to make a girl attracted to you in the long term. I'm Selna, America's face of dating, and I will see you in the next video.